take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best answer: the AirPods 2 are water-resistant, but not fully waterproof. Although Apple did add a water-repellent coating to this model's circuit board, these wireless headphones shouldn't be submerged in water.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The top volume you can stream via an iPhone is 102 decibels. You can listen to music at that volume all day and not worry about damage to your ears. But 89 decibels is safe for just 90 minutes a day, and 102 decibels is safe for just 10 minutes. Once that limit is reached, you've done permanent damage to your ears.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you need service for your AirPods or charging case, there's no charge if the issue is covered under the Apple 1-year limited warranty. If we need to replace your AirPods or charging case, your replacement will be new or equivalent to new in performance and reliability.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.